Have you ever noticed how your legs seem to get weaker as time goes by? You're not alone. In fact, it's a common issue many people face. And did you know that this is actually a sign that you're getting older? That's right. As we age, our muscles can start to weaken, which can make everyday tasks harder than they should be. But don't worry, because there are ways to combat this. Yes, you heard me right. There are ways to combat this natural process. So if you want to keep your legs strong and healthy, keep watching. We'll explore 6 amazing foods that can help you maintain your leg strength as you get older. These foods are not only tasty and easy to add to your diet, but they also have powerful effects on your body that can help you stay active and independent as you enter your golden years. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive in. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest health tips. Let's jump into the topic. Number 1, beets. Beets are truly remarkable when it comes to supporting leg strength and combating age-related muscle loss. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with nitrates, which are converted by the body into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that plays a crucial role in enhancing blood flow throughout the body. In particular, it works wonders for your legs by ensuring that your leg muscles receive an ample supply of oxygen and nutrients. This improved blood circulation means that your leg muscles will stay strong and energized, making it easier for you to walk, climb stairs, or engage in any physical activity. But that's not all. Beets also come equipped with powerful antioxidants and compounds that can help alleviate inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 common culprits behind age-related muscle loss. By incorporating beets into your diet regularly, you'll be providing your body with the tools it needs to maintain strong and healthy leg muscles, allowing you to stay active and enjoy life to the fullest. Number 2, sardines and wild salmon. When it comes to supporting leg strength and combating age-related muscle loss, seafood like sardines and wild salmon are true superheroes. These little fish are loaded with essential nutrients, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation often hinders the proper functioning of our muscles, leading to discomfort and decreased performance. But thanks to the omega-3s found in sardines and wild salmon, you can help reduce this inflammation and keep your legs feeling fresh and ready for action. These little fish are also packed with vitamin D, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and supporting optimal muscle function. Vitamin D acts like a helper molecule, ensuring that your body's various systems work together smoothly, including your muscles and bones. Strong bones mean better support for your legs, making it easier to stay upright and mobile as you age. By adding sardines and wild salmon to your diet, you'll be giving your legs the nutrition they need to stay strong and resilient. Number 3, pumpkin seeds. When it comes to supporting leg strength and fighting age-related muscle loss, pumpkin seeds are an absolute powerhouse. These tiny seeds are packed with essential minerals such as magnesium, which plays a key role in maintaining muscular strength and overall bodily functions. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions, ensuring that your leg muscles can move efficiently and effectively. Additionally, pumpkin seeds are a great source of zinc, which is crucial for the production of new muscle tissue and the maintenance of healthy skin and hair. Zinc also supports the immune system, helping your body ward off illnesses that could sideline your fitness goals. To reap the benefits of pumpkin seeds, simply sprinkle a handful on top of your salads, yogurt, or oatmeal. Not only will your legs thank you, but your whole body will too. Number 4, lentils. Lentils are a fantastic addition to your diet if you're looking to maintain leg strength and prevent age-related muscle loss. These little legumes are packed with a variety of essential nutrients that can help keep your legs feeling their best. First and foremost, lentils are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which provide your body with long-lasting energy. This is especially important as you age, since staying active and engaged in physical activities becomes increasingly crucial for maintaining mobility and balance. Lentils also contain a wealth of micronutrients, including iron and zinc, both of which are essential for the formation of healthy red blood cells. Iron, in particular, helps transport oxygen to your leg muscles, keeping them fueled and energized during physical activity. Additionally, the protein content of lentils is vital for muscle repair and growth, ensuring that your legs stay strong and resilient as you age. Lastly, lentils are known for their ability to help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden energy crashes that can leave you feeling sluggish and weak. Overall, incorporating lentils into your diet is an easy and delicious way to support your leg health and ensure that they remain strong and healthy for years to come. Number 5, avocados. Avocados are a superfood that shouldn't be overlooked when it comes to maintaining leg strength and preventing age-related muscle loss. These creamy fruits are packed with healthy fats, including monounsaturated fats, which are excellent for lubricating your joints and reducing wear and tear. By keeping your joints moving smoothly, avocados allow your legs to stay flexible and agile as you age. Additionally, avocados are rich in potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate muscle contractions and prevent cramps. Potassium also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood pressure, ensuring that your heart pumps blood to your legs efficiently, delivering oxygen and nutrients along the way. Moreover, avocados contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K, vitamin E, magnesium, and calcium, all of which contribute to strong bones and healthy muscles. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you'll be providing your legs with the nourishment they need to stay strong and resilient as you enter your golden years. Number 6, tart cherries. Tart cherries are a unique and delicious addition to your diet that can make a world of difference when it comes to maintaining leg strength and preventing age-related muscle loss. These small but mighty fruits are packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress within muscle tissues. By reducing inflammation, tart cherries help alleviate muscle soreness and speed up recovery times, allowing you to stay active and engaged in physical activities. Additionally, the natural melatonin content of tart cherries supports a good night's sleep, which is crucial for muscle repair and regeneration. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming tart cherry juice for 4 weeks resulted in a significant reduction in markers of muscle damage and inflammation in athletes. So whether you're an athlete or just someone looking to maintain their leg strength as they age, tart cherries are definitely worth adding to your diet. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in the form of juice or supplements. Just a few tart cherries a day can make a big difference in your overall leg health and well-being. As we wrap up this video, let's take a moment to acknowledge the importance of maintaining leg strength as we age. Our legs are the pillars that carry us through life, literally. They enable us to walk, run, jump, and play, and they deserve all the care and attention we can give them. Age-related muscle loss can have a significant impact on our mobility, balance, and overall quality of life. But by following the advice shared in this video, we can take proactive steps to preserve our leg strength and independence. Remember, it's never too early or too late to prioritize our health and well-being. By incorporating the recommended foods into your daily diet, you can provide your legs with the necessary nutrients and support they need to stay strong and healthy. So, go ahead, give your legs the love they deserve, and enjoy the benefits of a more active, vibrant, and fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better leg health. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with those who might benefit from it. Stay healthy and active, and we'll see you in the next video.